In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a dynamic video slider into your online store theme. This helpful addition can significantly elevate the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your website, creating an engaging experience for visitors. So let's dive right in and get started on this quick and easy process. First, we'll begin by heading directly to your online store's theme settings. Navigating these settings is crucial, as the theme is essentially the blueprint for your store's visual and interactive components. Accessing the theme is typically straightforward. You can find it in your store's admin panel under Layout or Design features, depending on the platform you're using. Once there, you'll have a chance to mold your store's identity to better resonate with your audience through color schemes, layout choices, and most importantly for this task, video integrations. Next, we'll focus on finding the template section. The template is where you'll be structuring the actual content for your web page. Once you're in the template section, you'll want to add a new section. This part is crucial because sections are the building blocks of your site. They allow you to organize your content strategically. The addition of a new section provides you with a blank canvas to work on and customize in a way that suits your store's needs. Now, with your new section in place, it's time to select and install the video slider. The video slider greatly benefits your store by showcasing multiple videos in an organized and appealing manner. It adds a dynamic touch to your website, capturing the attention of your visitors and keeping them engaged. The options to select a video slider can usually be found in common themes designed today, focusing on dynamic content and interactivity. After selecting the video slider, you'll be prompted to upload your videos. Carefully consider the videos you want to showcase, as these will inherently represent your brand and potentially influence the purchasing decisions of your visitors. Lastly, once you've uploaded your videos, the critical and often overlooked final step is to save your changes. Saving ensures that all the adjustments and additions you've just made are preserved and visible to your site visitors. It's easy to assume this step is automatic, but hitting that save button is essential for your modifications to take effect. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have effectively transformed your online store theme with a video slider, enhancing its interactive features and visual storytelling abilities. This not only creates a more immersive experience for your visitors, but also provides a fresh catalyst for increasing customer engagement and potentially boosting sales. I hope you found this guide useful. Thank you for watching and happy customizing!